Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much carnitine for fat loss. To begin, L-carnitine is an amino acid derivative that helps move fatty acids into your cell's powerhouses, the mitochondria. This process is essential for converting fat into usable energy. By optimizing your carnitine intake, you can support your body's natural fat-burning capabilities and enhance your overall metabolic efficiency, especially when combined with regular physical activity. Let's dive into the specifics. When considering carnitine for fat loss, the form you choose matters. Acetyl L-carnitine, or ALCAR, is known for its brain-boosting properties, while L-carnitine L-tartrate, or LCLT, is often favored by athletes for its impact on exercise performance and recovery. For general fat loss, a daily intake between 1,000 and 3,000 milligrams is typically suggested. It's best to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it to assess your tolerance and effectiveness. Hey everyone, just a quick pause. If you're enjoying this deep dive into carnitine for fat loss, please show your support by subscribing and giving this video a like. Your engagement helps us create more content like this. On another note, if you're looking for a great way to unwind and learn, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading up on health and fitness or anything else you love anywhere you go. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other fantastic deals, right in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Timing your carnitine intake can significantly impact its effectiveness. For optimal absorption and to ensure it reaches your muscles, it's often recommended to take carnitine with a meal that includes carbohydrates. This helps stimulate insulin, which aids in carnitine uptake. Many find taking it post-workout particularly beneficial. Additionally, pairing carnitine with other supplements like omega-3 fatty acids can create a synergistic effect, further supporting your fat loss goals and overall health. While carnitine is generally safe for most individuals, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. At recommended dosages, most people experience no issues. However, very high doses, exceeding 3,000 milligrams, might lead to mild digestive discomfort such as nausea, stomach cramps, or diarrhea. If you have pre-existing conditions like kidney disease, thyroid problems, or are taking specific medications, it's always wise to consult your doctor before adding carnitine to your regimen to ensure it's safe for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.